European Delivery is a Porsche-Vacation. It's a very special event where clients pick up their car in Germany at two different locations, either at the classic factory in Stuttgart with the 911 production line and the museum, or they can pick up the car in Leipzig, which is the modern factory where the Panamera, the Cayenne and the Macan are produced. It's their baby. It's a creation that we do together. It's their dream to build those cars, and we'll make it work for them. My name is Sascha Glaeser, and I started with Porsche in 2000. I took over the European Delivery Center as well as the customer consultation team at the factory. The European Delivery includes either 8 or 14 days of full coverage insurance, the first day at the hotel, the factory tour, the handover, a lunch at the VIP guest casino. Clients that have taken delivery of their special build cars, they're all blown away. With Porsche, you can build your dream car.